Clove and saffron, two highly esteemed spices, offer a range of health benefits. 1. Antioxidant properties. Clove is rich in antioxidants, which combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. 2. Digestive health. Clove has been traditionally used to aid digestion. 3. Mental health. Saffron is renowned for its potential in improving mood and treating depressive symptoms. Its active components may influence serotonin and other neurotransmitters in the brain. 4. Anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. Both clove and saffron exhibit significant anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. 5. Heart health. Regular intake of saffron can positively affect heart health due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Ingredients: clove, saffron,